Okay, we're going to get started on this. I guess I should point out too that there is a very, very faint remnant of the scratch there, but I'm confident as I go through my next diamond pad, since I'm using a three-step system, I'm going to go to the number 2 and then I will finish up with the number 3. So we're going to go with the number 2 now and continue now. At this point we're going to start to try to bring the shine back up. Okay, we're going to check this. One thing I've discovered with engineered stone is you need to be patient. It just simply doesn't pop right in like natural stone does. It is a process, and patience is a virtue. I think we need to go some more. Clean the surface again and check it. Make sure it's coming in. I can start to see some of the particulate in this engineered stone now are starting to, as the term, pop. In other words, they're starting to become shiny. There's still a haze factor to it, but as you can see, the color is richening, and we are gradually coming back to the point where we will be able to go into the free particulate polishing system from Polishing Pro Systems. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch to the number 3 pad, and we will work that pad for as long as necessary until you do not see a discernible difference in the finish. Once you've achieved that, then we'll be ready to go into the Polishing Pro system. Okay, so we're going to start with the 3000. One thing I'll point out is after using the 2000, if you take a look at that, you can see that not necessarily 2000, excuse me, the number 2 of the 3-step pad, it has removed the remnants of the scratch. In fact, I can see just an extremely faint highlight. And like I said, I'm confident that the number 3 pad will take it out and start bringing us up to the point where we'll be able to go into Polishing Pro Systems. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to lubricate the surface, plenty of water. Affix the pad to the back of the machine. And as before, set it down. I'm going to start up the machine and start going into the surface. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the surface and check it and see at what point we are with the last step of this three-step system. Okay, it's very important to make sure you get all the residue off, as that could give you the illusion that there's still a lot of hazing on there, but in actuality it's just some remnants of the slurry